Security and privacy implications from cloud computing. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhanasri from Geetanjali College of Engineering and Technology, Department of CSC Cyber Security. Today, I will be discussing the security and privacy implications from cloud computing. Cloud computing is one of the most transformative technologies of the modern digital era. It allows users and organizations to access computing resources, servers, storage, and software over the internet. While it offers flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency, it also introduces several challenges related to data security and user privacy. In this seminar, I will discuss cloud architecture, key security challenges, privacy issues, and the shared responsibility models. Introduction to cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on demand delivery of computing services over the internet. It allows users to pay only for what they use, similar to an electricity or water utility. Cloud computing consists of three key service models: infrastructure as service, platform as service, and software as service. It also includes three deployment models: public, private, and hybrid clouds. Each model offers a different balance between con- controls, cost, and flexibility. The growing reliance on cloud services means that data once confirmed within an organization's boundaries now resides in remote data centers managed by third parties. Cloud architecture can be visualized as a layered model with IaaS at base providing virtualized hardware, PaaS offers application platform, and SaaS delivering complete software solution to users. This layered design enhances efficiency but also increases complexity. Each layer has unique vulnerabilities such as hypervisor attacks at the infrastructure level or insecure APIs at the application level. Understanding this layered architecture is essential for designing robust cloud security mechanisms. Key challenges Key security challenges described to its benefits. Cloud computing faces several security risks. Major threats include data breaches, insecure APIs, insider threats, and data loss. Misconfigurations of cloud services can expose sensitive data to public. Organizations must implement strong access control, encryption, and network monitoring. Since cloud data is stored in third party servers, the trust factor becomes crucial. A single vulnerability in the provider's infrastructure can compromise thousands of clients' data simultaneously. Privacy concerns. Privacy is a central issue in cloud computing because user data is often stored across multiple jurisdictions. This can lead to legal and compliance issues since different countries have varying data protection laws. Users lose direct control over their data once it moved to the cloud. Cloud providers might perform data mining for analytics or advertising, raising ethical concerns. Regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation GDPR in Europe and the IT Act 2000 in India attempt to enforce accountability, but enforcement remains inconsistent across borders. Shared responsibility model. In cloud computing, security is a shared responsibility between the provider and the customer. The provider is responsible for securing the infrastructure while customers are responsible for managing their data, access permissions, and encryption. This model is essential for understanding security boundaries in the cloud. For instance, In SaaS environment, the provider manages most of the stack, while in IaaS, the customer must secure their application and data. Misunderstanding this division often leads to avoidable security gaps. Legal and ethical implications. Cloud computing raises several legal and ethical issues, including data sovereignty, privacy, rights, and accountability for data misuse. Under India's IT Act 2000 and its 2008 amendments, companies must protect sensitive personal data and report breaches. Globally, laws such as the GDPR, HAPAA, and CCPA enforces similar responsibilities. Ethically, cloud providers must ensure transparency regarding data handling and inform users about third-party sharing. Compliance with such legal frameworks is critical to maintaining trust in cloud ecosystems. Data protection mechanisms. Organizations must implement robust data protection techniques to safeguard cloud data encryption both at rest and transit. In one of the most effective methods, other measures include multi-factor authentication, secure APIs, firewalls, and regular vulnerability assessments. Data backup and replication across multiple locations can prevent data loss. Auditing and continuous monitoring further ensure that security policies are being followed. Organizational security measures. From an organization perspective, ensuring cloud security requires strong policies and proactive management. This includes employee training, risk assessment, and the use of intrusion detection systems. Organizations should adopt standards such as ISO IEC 27001 for information security management. They should also include cloud security requirements in vendor agreement. Regular security audits help verifying compliance and strengthen resilience against threats. Best practices and case studies. To reduce risk, organizations should follow best practices like selecting trusted providers, using encryption, and maintaining backups. The Capital One breach in 2019, which exposed millions of customer records due to cloud misconfiguration, is a strong reminder of these challenges. Cloud security is not just a technical issue but a governance and awareness issue. Continuous monitoring, incident response planning, and employee education are vital components of a robust cloud security strategy. In conclusion, cloud computing revolutionizes it by offering scalable and cost effective services, but it also brings significant security and privacy challenges. Effective cloud security depends on shared responsibility, robust legal framework, and the continuous vigilance. Organizations must balance innovation with compliance and ethics. By adopting strong data protection mechanisms and adhering to best practices, we can harness the power of cloud computing security and responsibility.